Hi folks, it's Marty with Remax Real Estate. Before we start walking through homes, we need to step back and look at the bigger picture. Because buying a home isn't just about square footage, it's about where your daily life happens. And if we don't define that clearly at the beginning, the process becomes inefficient very quickly. So here's how we approach it properly. Step 1. Affordability defines the sandbox. Your budget naturally defines your geographic band. Different price ranges align with different neighborhood tiers. That's reality. The goal isn't to emotionally stretch into an area that doesn't align financially. The goal is to identify the strongest pockets within your affordability range. Affordability defines the sandbox. Strategy determines where you build inside it. Step 2. Lifestyle infrastructure mapping. Now we drill down. A neighborhood is your daily operating environment. Before we start serious showings, we map daily life logistics, commute times during rush hour, distance to family, hospitals, language programs, hockey arenas, dance studios, gyms, transit access, walk score, future infrastructure plans. These details don't feel urgent when you're admiring a kitchen, but 6 months after possession, they matter deeply. You can renovate a kitchen. You cannot renovate your commute. I strongly encourage buyers to spend time in the neighborhoods we're considering, on your own time. Drive them, walk them, visit at different times of day. You don't need a realtor to feel whether an area fits your life. That independent familiarity dramatically accelerates narrowing. Step 3. Alignment between decision makers. This is critical. If decision makers aren't aligned, no property will feel right. Before serious touring begins, both people should clearly answer, what are my non-negotiables? What am I flexible on? What matters most long-term? If one wants turnkey modern and the other wants renovation potential, that disagreement needs clarity early. Otherwise, every showing becomes internal negotiation. Alignment prevents frustration. Step 4. Define, refine, narrow. Once we begin touring properties, every showing has one purpose: eliminate variables. We don't wander, we refine. After each viewing, we ask, what worked? What didn't? Did the neighborhood feel right? Would you live here comfortably for 5 years? Patterns emerge, criteria sharpen, confidence increases. The right property doesn't surprise you. It confirms your blueprint. Buying should not feel like endless driving. It should feel like narrowing toward precision. Define first. Validate the neighborhood. Align internally. Refine intentionally. When that structure is respected, the purchase becomes calm, clear, and confident. I'm Marty with Remax Real Estate, and that's how a serious and well-prepared buyer approaches the market.